After COVID, the world has dealt with an overwhelming amount of depression, anxiety, and overall grief, prompting the Positive Living Group to host a 2-day grief and loss conference in Jackson. After the conference, over 200 mental health professionals will be certified in grief and loss. 39 News spoke with Positive Living Group Executive Director Tawana Miller about the inspiration behind the event, mental health stigmas, and dealing with grief.
What happened is that during 2020, when COVID first emerged, one of the things that we saw is just an over amount of grief and loss. Not that grief wasn't happening, but traumatic grief started to unfold.
Miller held this conference in May in celebration of Mental Health Awareness Month.
So we really wanted to target May for the second half of the certification because it's Mental Health Awareness Month. And so we're here and we are going green. Okay, and that's what we want people to do this month. We want them to go green, to remove the stigma of mental health. Every person, every human being needs to be checking on their mental health.
One mental health therapist from the conference shares one of her biggest takeaways from the event.
Because as life changes, our ways of interacting and providing clinical services to people, that changes as well. So this conference has allowed me to, number one, to be educated, to become re-educated on grief and loss, since that is just such a big thing that has been impacting not only our communities, but our nations as a whole.
Dr. Avanti Browns hopes to erase the stigma of getting help when facing mental health issues.
And there is definitely the stigma there, as far as people thinking that, well, if I take depression medicine or anxiety medicine, I'm going to be considered as crazy or given that label. Some people are afraid of how others may view them if they know that they're taking mental health medications. And that definitely shouldn't be there.
The Positive Living Group is inviting anyone who is interested in mental health therapy to visit their office on 39 Murray Guard Drive in Jackson. They accept all forms of health insurance from commercial to TennCare. You can visit the clinic or make a telehealth video chat appointment. Brianna Hardiman, 39 News, Jackson.